Hi, Mauricio. Can I ask you a quick question regarding EcoSys?
Sure.
Excellent. So, when I approach cost control engineers and larger enterprises, one of the first questions I get is, why do we need a system on top? We are already using ERP system, and we are already confident using Excel. And can you please explain?
Yeah, of course, yes. Well, typically is that Excel and ERP system is honestly the most popular so-called project control tools that people is using. What actually EcoSys is doing, EcoSys goes in the middle. And one of the reasons is because it basically helps in bridging the gap that and the weaknesses that both the systems have, and at the same time it brings the value from both of this system. And I can give you a quick explanation. If you look at a desktop tool like Excel is, and most of the people love Excel, of course, is because Excel is now very powerful in providing tools for analysis. It's very flexible and very easy to use and easy to learn. On the other side, enterprise systems are very strong, right? Especially they are very strong in the security. They put the data in a very secure environment, and it's basically a standard for the company, right? So that everyone is using the same word process and so on and so forth. That's very good. On the other side, when it comes to Excel, a desktop tool, since it's very prone to make mistake, it's enough you are looking at specific formulas in Excel, and then maybe your wife or your colleague is just ringing you, and then you lose the control of what you're doing. So, and then it's not a standard. It means that, assuming you are a project control engineer addressing a project, and there is a colleague of you addressing a different project, and I am your director, you both guys will give me different numbers with different method and different reports, which is something which make my life more difficult, right? On the other side, enterprise systems, these are very strong and very rigid as soon as a specific work process has been implemented, right? So what actually EcoSys does, it brings the best of both, okay, removing all the concerns, and then you then get a very strong enterprise productivity system, which take all the security that you have on ERP, because even if it works on the cloud, it has a two-level security before you can access the system, so it's getting very strong. It's scalable as well. On the other time, is provide you with all the flexibility you need for eventually solving a very last-minute question that your client is asking you to deliver or to support or to execute in controlling the project. Okay. So he's taking, as we say, take the best of both the system with something that you need in the middle. It actually increases your productivity, enhance your capability to deliver a standardized methodology, right? With all the flexibility you need, and as easy as to use as Excel, by the way. Excellent. And I can give you further evidences on this.
Okay, thanks a lot for explaining, Mauricio.
You're welcome.